Our family is a big fan of the Universal Orlando hotels. We have stayed at all the Universal hotels many times. You can click the eye in the sky to watch our ranking of the Universal Orlando hotels. Today, we're going to talk about why we love staying at these hotels for a Universal Orlando vacation. These are the top benefits of staying at a Universal Orlando hotel. One of the biggest benefits of staying at a Universal Orlando hotel is the early park admission. With early park admission, you get into either Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure an hour before the park opens to the general public. You're treated like a VIP. You just show your room key and you get to play an hour before everyone else. We love early park admission. The next benefit of staying at a Universal Orlando hotel is package delivery. As you're exploring the parks, you may find a souvenir or two. Do you want to carry souvenirs around with you all day long? Of course not. You can actually have your purchase delivered to your Universal Orlando hotel, all free of charge. That way you can shop and then go play without having to lug around merchandise all day long. The next benefit is complimentary transportation. The transportation at Universal hotels is some of the best transportation I have ever experienced on vacation. I know I'm going to upset a lot of Disney fans, but Universal is better. You can take a bus or water taxi from your Universal hotel to Universal City Walk. You can then walk to either Islands of Adventure or Universal Studios. The transportation runs all day long into the late evening, just in case you want to catch a movie or dinner at Universal City Walk. The best news is the transportation is free. I have never waited more than 15 minutes for a bus or water taxi. The transportation system at Universal is incredible. Unlike other Orlando vacations, you do not have to worry about booking all of your dining reservations before your trip. When you stay at a premier Universal Orlando hotel like Portofino Bay, Hard Rock, or Royal Pacific, you can take advantage of priority seating at select Universal restaurants. You can call an exclusive phone number to book your priority seating reservations. One of our favorite reasons we stay at the Universal hotels is the location. All of the hotels are super close to Universal Orlando. It only takes minutes to get from Universal City Walk back to your hotel. Even Endless Summer Resorts, which are located on International Drive outside of Universal, is just a quick ride. This is perfect for families with infants and younger children. You can enjoy the morning at the theme parks and then hop on the transportation to go back to your hotel for an afternoon nap. We love how close the hotels are to all of the action. Once you arrive to your room, put your wallet in the safe. You will not need it again. You can charge everything during your Universal vacation to your room key. Once you check in, you can leave a credit card on file for incidentals. You can then charge everything to your room key. Super simple. Another big benefit of the Universal Orlando hotels is the value. All the hotels have lots of resort amenities. This even includes the value hotels. The least expensive hotels like Dockside and Surfside are some of the cheapest hotels in Orlando. I actually booked a room this week for only $69 per night plus tax. That is super cheap in Orlando. Even with an inexpensive price tag, there are a lot of room and resort amenities. In addition to all these benefits that we're talking about today, when you start adding up all these benefits, it is an incredible value. Another benefit of the Universal Orlando hotels is the merchandise gift shops. All the Universal hotels have a merchandise shop. You can get all the fun souvenirs that you can find at the theme parks at these merchandise shops, including Harry Potter merch. On the last day of our vacation, we always love popping into the merchandise shop for that one last souvenir before heading home. Do you love Jurassic World or Minions? Did you know that you can stay in a cool themed room at select Universal Orlando hotels? We love the Jurassic World suite at Royal Pacific and the Minions suite at Portofino Bay. Your kids will go nuts over these fun themed rooms at the Universal Orlando hotels. We saved the best benefit to the end. The very best benefit of staying at select Universal Orlando hotels is the Universal Express. With Universal Express, you show your room key to gain front-of-the-line access on rides and attractions at both Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. This can save you up to $600 per day for a family of 4. This benefit is available at the premier hotels, including Portofino Bay, Hard Rock Hotel, and Royal Pacific. We love the Universal Express and recommend staying at these premier hotels just to access this exclusive benefit. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us in all of our Jones family travels, tips, tricks, and adventures. Keep on dreaming and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.